In this video, I'm going to show you how to set disappearing messages on Signal Android. First, I'm going to show you how to set disappearing messages on a specific conversation only, and then I'm going to show you how to set disappearing messages as a default timer for new chats. So every time you start a new chat, it will have disappearing messages set. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. So to set disappearing messages on a specific chat, first tap on the chat that you'd like to set disappearing messages for. I'm going to tap on Note to Self, which is my only conversation in here anyway. Once in here, tap the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner for this chat to see more options, then tap on Chat Settings. In Chat Settings, you'll have an option to set disappearing messages. Currently that's off. To turn it on, simply tap on Disappearing Messages and then pick a timer for those disappearing messages. So Signal says here at the top, when enabled, new messages sent and received in this chat will disappear after they have been seen. So this applies to new messages only. So you have a number of default options here that you can roll with, ranging from 4 weeks all the way to 30 seconds. So when a person reads your message and 30 seconds elapses, for example, if you pick 30 seconds, the message will disappear or be deleted. You could also say cleared from the chat. You also have the option to go with a custom time. However, 30 seconds is more than enough for me, so I'm going to tap on 30 seconds to select it and then tap on save. There we go. I've now set disappearing messages in this conversation. I'm going to tap on the back arrow, tap on the back arrow again, and I'm going to test it by typing hi, and then I'm going to simply tap on the send button. I'm just going to wait 30 seconds, and as you can see, there's a timer counting down. So when this timer hits the 30-second mark, the message will be disappeared or removed from the chat. And there we go. It's now gone. The message was disappeared. You can also see the 30-second timer that I set at the top here. This applies to your contacts messages also. I'm now going to show you how to set a default disappearing message timer. So instead of having to do this for each conversation, I'm going to show you how to do this when you start a brand new conversation. So I'm going to tap on the back button here to go back. Once in your conversation list or chat list, navigate to the top right hand corner and tap on the three vertical dots. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, look for Privacy and tap on it. In your privacy setting, look for disappearing messages. And underneath that, it says Default Timer for New Chats. Set a default disappearing message timer for new chats started by you. Currently that's toggled off. To turn it on, simply tap on it. You can see that the disappearing messages settings is exactly the same for an existing chat or conversation. You've got from 4 weeks all the way to 30 seconds, and you can also pick a custom time. I'm going to roll with 30 seconds again, so I'm just going to tap on that, and then I'm going to tap on save. Now every time you start a new conversation with a contact, the default timer for new chats is 30 seconds. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to set disappearing messages on Signal Android. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so